Today we are going to learn how to install Android Studio on a Windows machine. Here I am using Windows 10 machine and I am installing Android Studio latest version. So using Android Studio you can develop native Android application which runs on any Android device, or you can develop a hybrid application using Android SDK. For hybrid development we use either Cordova or Ionic, and there are so many other environments are available frameworks using which we can develop. For both development we need Android SDK. So either you can download directly Android SDK from Google site. From this site you can download developer.android.com/studio. Here you will get SDK for Windows, Mac or Linux, or either if you are downloading this zip file, then you have to configure SDK yourself using command line, or either you can directly install Android Studio after downloading from here, and using that you can configure SDK. So first I will show you how to install Android Studio. After that I will show you how to configure SDK and download latest Gradle files and all using SDK and Android Studio. So guys, here is my Android Studio which I have downloaded from here. You can also download latest version from here. Latest version is 3.2.1, or if you want some other version then you can go below, and from here you can download that. As you can see, Android Studio download link. Okay, so double click on this and wait for some time, it will load. After that it will ask for steps to install. In meantime guys, this is my YouTube channel from where you can watch many tutorials for regarding many languages, like if you see, I have so many languages which tutorials which I have uploaded, like hybrid development, Linux, and native developments, as well as NetBeans using Java development using NetBeans, and .NET, Python, and so many other tutorials are there. If you have any query you can also ask, so that I can support you. So it will take some time to load. So now it's verifying the installer. So it will ask for permission to install, so select yes. Click next, then select Android. If you want virtual machine then you can select this, or either you can unselect. So for now I am selecting both Android Studio. This is compulsory, that's why there is no checkbox option enabled. So now this will install to this directory. If you want you can change the directory. Now this will take some time to extract all the file and install. So in the meantime I will stop this record. So now as you can see your installation has been complete. Now click on next and it will start Android Studio. Wait for some time to start Android Studio. Now it will ask for a custom location or do not import setting in Android setting. So we have not installed previously on this machine, or if you have already installed and you want that version or location to be set default, then you can select this option, either do not import setting. After that it will load some file from the network and it will download using Google DL file. After from here you will get option to download required SDK files, like Android SDK and image files and other components which required to develop Android application. So click next, and if you want custom selection you can do, otherwise select standard, and from here you can change your UI option also. So I am keeping everything default, and these are the files which will download from the internet, and it will be stored in this location, like C colon user slash your username slash app data slash local slash android slash SDK, and it will download around 1.1 GB files. So it will take some time depending upon your internet connection. You can track from here. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe.